take several images or files and combine them into one PDF using Photoshop. This is something that is very useful and convenient for photographers if you are wanting to deliver basically a presentation of images before you actually were to sell pictures to clients. You can go through and watermark all of your images and send them to them as a PDF so they can scroll through them if you wanted to. My students use this a lot in our photography class. One of their projects is they have to create a series of images, and at the end they are required to turn it in as a PDF presentation. So in order to do that, you're going to start by opening up all of the files at one time. Open them all up that you want to include, and then you can move them around in the order that you want here, or you can do that once I begin the process. You can do it that way if you want. So you can see I have all of them open here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select File, Automate, PDF Presentation, and I'm going to click Add Open Files, and you will see them all here, and it's just putting them in alphabetical order. If I know that I wanted, one to be, this one to be down here or whatever, you can move them all around. It doesn't matter. So I always suggest to my students to number them or alphabetize them or something from the beginning. That way you're not trying to sort them out here and figure out which ones you need to move where, because once you make your PDF, you can't change the files around unless you actually open that PDF presentation in Acrobat Pro, which then gets into a whole nother process. So it's easier to just do that from the beginning. So I would number them or label them in alphabetical order the way that you want, so that they will combine together in the order that you want. So once I have them, however you want to move it around, you're just going to hit, you can do a multi-page document or a presentation. The presentation will actually present more as like a slideshow. So we just do the multi-page document. I'm going to hit save. It's going to prompt me to choose where I want it to save. And so then I'm going to select where I want it to go. We'll just say here. We'll do PDF tutorial and hit save. You can ignore all of this and just hit save PDF. And then you can see it doing work there. And now if I go to my files here and pull up, if I can, I have so many folders, I have to always remember where I put them. So you can see PDF tutorial. When I double click on that, and let me enlarge it for you here, you can see all of the images are here in a presentation like this. So it's a nice way to combine them, just depending on what it is you are doing with your files. So pretty simple. Again, you can do this in Adobe Acrobat as well if you choose to, but most photographers are already working in Photoshop anyway, so it's pretty simple to do it that way. So that's it for this tutorial. Check back with the next one here in
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.